Another use for the T-Glide Advance in L-fence formation is to flush trim. If you put, in this case, I put solid wood edging onto plywood. So I need to trim that flush overhang so that it becomes flush with the plywood surface. You can do this with a router, but you can also do it with this setup. So let me show you how. All right, to begin, we need to make our fence edge flush with the outer surface, the left surface of the blade. So to do that, I need to lower the blade just so the fence slides over it. Okay, I want to make sure this is flush with the left side of the blade. To do that, I use a square, touch one of the teeth, and bring that up, square. Okay, got it. Okay, now to set the blade height, I want it just taller than the thickness of my edging. So I want to lower the blade. That looks good. Okay, now because this only rests on the 3/4 inch wide, or slightly wider, 7/8 inch wide piece of edge trimming, it can be a little tippy with this height, and I've only got the little narrow bearing surface of the fence. So to offset that, I'm going to use a double horizontal feather board to counter that balance. Okay, because the edging protrudes out away from the plywood, the bottom feather board is going to hit the edging and not the plywood. And what will happen is it won't keep good pressure and keep it perfectly vertical. So what I need to do to elevate that is to use some stock. I had a couple of pieces of the flush trimming edging that I've got left, so I just elevate the feather board, both front and back. And that'll keep it elevated then above the edging. So now what I need to do is to push that up against the fence. Just push my feather board in where I want it and tighten it up. And we should be ready to cut. Now I have an edge that's flush trimmed. Just need a little light sanding and we're good to go.